Arduino-based smart dustbin using ultrasonic sensor. Let's build something practical today. How about a smart dustbin with a lid that opens automatically when you want to drop something into it? It's hygienic and smart. We will use the Arduino as our microcontroller today. So, let's get started. Like always, it's safe to take a few precautions. If you are less than 16, do it under adult supervision. You need a few components for the project. You can source them from your local robotics store or Radio Shack. So, the following components required to build the project include Ultrasonic sensor HCSROWS4, Arduino Uno, 9 volts battery and connector, jumper wires, servo motor SG90, piece of cardboard. Let's get started with the main construction part. Using scissors, design cardboard like this. Connect the VCC of the sensor to 5 volts of Arduino. Connect the GND to the ground. Connect the trig to pin 5 of Arduino. Connect the echo to pin 6 of Arduino. Connect signal pin of servo motor to pin 9 of Arduino. Connect VCC of servo motor to VCC of Arduino. Connect GND to ground of Arduino. Connect the positive terminal of 9 volts battery to VIN of Arduino. Connect the negative terminal of 9 volts battery to ground of Arduino. Using the glue gun, stick the cardboard over the bucket. Place the ultrasonic sensor here with a double-sided tape. Place the servo motor on the top of the lid. With the loose wire, connect the folded part of the lid to the leg of the servo motor. Test the system if it's working. You can place this bin anywhere in your home. It has very low power consumption and a 9 volts alkaline battery can run it for at least 3 weeks. Follow us to check our upcoming videos, where we add some more upgrades, and help you to make more 5-minute maker hack videos. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get great content regularly.